Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome, period, if you're new here. It's Erica. Hopefully this video finds you well. I have the whole world in my heart and in my prayers throughout this very difficult and challenging time that we're all in right now. But I know we're all sick of hearing about that. So, I don't want to drag and hype on what's wrong. I just want to come on and start this little series just so we'll have something to occupy our time while we're all stuck in the house during this COVID madness. So, let's get started. So while we're all stuck in the house, this is the perfect time to work on what we need to do for ourselves, for our mental health, for our growth, for learning, yada, yada, yada. And girl, I know we're all stressed out. We all need a feel. We all need a fresh laid wig. We all need our toes done because it's like we've been out here walking on hot lava. We all need our lashes done. We all need to be freshly waxed. As an esthetician, of course, I can do all my own stuff myself. But it's just the principle of having somebody else do it for you. Like, that's enough about that stuff because, on a serious note, it is affecting a lot of people. A lot of people are losing jobs, lost loved ones. So, just my prayers to everything, and we'll get through this. America's been through worse. So, this series of videos is a little bit different. I want to dedicate this series to my beginning makeup artists, my makeup enthusiasts that just don't know how to start, or just people who just want to learn a little bit about makeup and how to make yourself feel pretty, because you might as well feel pretty for yourself because right now ain't nobody else gonna see you. So I figured this would be a great time to put these videos out here for y'all. I don't know how many I'm gonna do in this series. So I'm just gonna kind of like go with the flow of what I'm doing or whatever. These videos will be budget friendly and affordable, strictly drugstore products. Drugstore and Ulta, because Ulta is affordable. I'm not talking prestige side of Ulta, I'm talking drugstore side. So if it's still to be super affordable, I can promise you that. So this video, I'll probably just chop it up. I'll probably do one long video and then just chop it up into sections. That way, you'll have the beginning phase from beginning to end. Yeah, so without further ado, I'm going to shut up and we're going to get started. Alright, so we're going to start this series off with our first video, first step of my face, by doing brows. There is no right way and a wrong way to do makeup. Honestly, it's just finding your style and your preference and how you want to look and how you like things to go, and so forth on. Makeup is a trial and error learning process. It's not something that you're just going to pick up overnight and learn and just think you're going to be a Mario Dadavanchier overnight or RuPaul overnight, because it just comes with time. I change my makeup style at least 4 to 5 times a month, honestly, because I'm just that extra AF. So we're going to start off with brows. For my brows, I'm going to be using the Revlon Colorstay Brow Creator Pencil. This pencil, I got off the clearance rack at Walmart. One of the two. Either way, it was like $4. So I feel like this would be easier because it has a spoolie built in, or you can get, they didn't have any more. You can use these pencils from Wet n Wild or any hair store, Dollar Tree pencil, honestly, will work. And then you just need a spoolie of some sort. A spoolie, old mascara wand that you clean and sanitize. All of that'll work just fine. See. So, I shaved the tails of my brows off. I don't know why. because I still kind of follow the shape, but I don't follow the shape, and it's hair everywhere right now, as you can see, because I've just been too lazy to take anything off. But you know, that's okay. That is okay. So just a little life hack, brow hack, if you are wanting a different brow shape and you want to experiment with taking your brows off so you have more drawing space, you can use a clear lash glue. This one is the Ardell Lash Tight Clear Adhesive. And you just brush it into your hair that you don't want to show through. Just a little beginner brow tip 101. If you are thinking of, you want to know how you will look with a different, if you're thinking you want to know how you look with a different brow shape, just an option for you. So we're going to begin by brushing our brow hair up. Just like that. And I like to come right where my arch is and draw a line outward. And the best part about this is this part does not have to be perfect. It ain't got to be cute or anything, because this is like your blueprint for your brow, you know? Like consider your whole face a building that you're building, right? And you have to, before you just start building anything, you have to get your groundwork, you know? So consider this the blueprint of what you're doing. And I'm taking the top line from the beginning of the brow all the way back. Like that. And now we just go in and fill, starting from where that line started, and fill backwards in soft strokes. And I'm just going to keep building the product up. And then you want to lightly flick upward. I don't ever come to this bottom part in my latest brow routine. I just haven't been doing that. And I just leave this down here like really bushy. Just because I like the softer look. Like I said, makeup is a preference. You just have to figure out what you like and what works best for you, you know. So now I'm taking my NYX Epic Ink Liner. This part is optional. It's just me being extra AF. And I'm just going to draw in a couple little hairs back here in the back where I don't have any. Just to build up a little dimension. And you kind of want to go back and forth with it. Like a couple this way and then a couple coming back down like this. Just until it's filled to your liking. And I'll do a couple more in the front, just for safe measures. Alright, so to clean up my brows, I like to use foundation because it helps it just look seamless and flawless and clean. So I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Matte and Poreless Foundation. This is in 356 Warm Coconut. Empty out a little bit in the cap. And I'm taking a flat-headed brush. I'm pretty sure this came from Dollar Tree in a 3-pack. And it's like my favorite flat concealer brush in the whole wide world. But any flat brush will do. It doesn't have to be round. It can be square, angled, whatever works best for you. And I just go ahead and apply it directly below my brow like that. I don't like to go ahead and put it so close to my brow because I feel like that gives you room to have it on your brow, and you may shake a little bit and get it on there, then you gotta go back and fill in, and nobody wants to do all that. It's like extra work. So we're just slowly building up to the brow. And so you just keep going around your line and just tracing around what you already drew. Now is the time to clean up any bumps or bruises you may have had while filling it in or creating your shape. Like that. Alright, now we're going to come on top and do the exact same thing. Sometimes I do my tail first, sometimes I do the beginning. So that's the brow. Lately I haven't really been into like really highlighting everything. But for the purpose of this video, because I know a lot of people just like that highlighted look, I'm gonna go ahead and throw a little highlighter on. So I'm taking the Black Radiance True Complexion Dark to Deep Contour Palette. And I'm grabbing a little flat brush. You can take another brush, or honestly you can use your concealer brush after you've done this one though, because you don't want to conceal your whole brow and highlighter. So that's why I'm taking this one. And I'm taking the highlight shading. And I'm only coming directly under the arch just for a little subtle glow. You can put as much as you want to make it as bright as you want. This is a really pretty highlighter. Just like, I'll swatch it because I'm not putting a lot on because that's just not me anymore. This is, ooh, that's really pretty. Just a really pretty highlighter shade. So yeah, you can build it up like I did on my hand, or you can leave it nice and light like on my brow. And I really just let it seep and blend into the foundation just because it's just not me anymore. I used to love a blinding highlight on every part of my face, but now I'm like old. Now I'm just taking the brush to blend it out, and voila, that is your brow. Alright, so now I'm taking the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Concealer. This is in the shade Hazelnut. And I am just popping this on the rest of my lid. Any concealer, or you could have ran your foundation all the way down. Either one will work just fine. And voila. Before, after. So guys, I hope this video was informative. Huh? No! So guys, I hope this video was informative. I hope that you learn how to snatch your brows on a budget. Altogether, the foundation is $5 at Walmart. That pencil in particular is $4. This eyeliner in particular is also $4. And then the contour palette is $7. But you know, your foundation you're going to use all over your face. Your eyeliner you can use for eyeliner as well. Contour palette is highlighter, contour all in one. So, you know, these are just like key good staples to have in your makeup kit. So, you know, you can use it all over. Yeah. So, until my next video in this sequence, I will see y'all later.